The Caribbean Dream. Hello everybody, I'm in Cartagena, Colombia. And wow, just wow. This city is a Caribbean dream. Sun, color and palm trees swaying in the breeze. You can taste the salt in the air and feel the city's magic the moment you arrive. The warmth here isn't just the weather, it's the people. Everyone greets you with a smile and a friendly, "Hola!" Cartagena wraps you in a big, happy hug. It's all about connection, good food, and vibrant energy. Music drifts from open doorways and the smell of delicious food fills the air. Cartagena wakes up all your senses, a feast for the eyes, ears, and soon, my taste buds. This isn't just a vacation spot, it's an experience, a story unfolding. Every corner has a tale, from ancient walls to lively streets. History meets the present here, and I'm ready to dive in. So pack your bags, real or imaginary, because Cartagena is calling. Let's explore this Caribbean gem together. You're going to love this journey, I promise. First stop, the Old Town, Ciudad Amurallada, the walled city. It's like stepping into a painting, buildings in pinks, blues, yellows and oranges with bougainvillea spilling over balconies. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a treasure, every street a postcard. These aren't just pretty buildings, they're packed with centuries of history. Imagine pirates, Spanish galleons and cobblestone streets beneath your feet. Grand colonial houses with huge wooden doors and secret courtyards line the streets. The details are stunning. Door knockers shaped like lizards, lions and sea creatures, each with a story. The Old Town is a living museum but full of life. Charming shops, hidden cafes and music fill the air. Horse-drawn carriages, laughter and Caribbean rhythms create a symphony of energy. The vibe is relaxed and happy, you can't help but feel good here. The Old Town is a photographer's dream. Every corner offers something beautiful to capture. It's not just about history, it's about the vibrant present. This place has already stolen a piece of my heart, and we've only just begun to explore. Let's keep wandering. There's so much more to see. Cartagena's Old Town is pure magic. Let's talk about Plaza Santo Domingo, the heart of the Old Town. By day, it's perfect for people watching over coffee with street performers and artists everywhere. The famous Botero statue, a big, beautiful lady, stands proudly in the square. But when the sun sets, the plaza transforms. Lights twinkle, music fills the air, salsa, cumbia, and more. Local musicians gather and spontaneous dancing erupts. No invitation needed, just join the fun. The energy is infectious. You'll want to dance, even if you're shy. Restaurants set up tables outside so you can dine under the stars, surrounded by music and laughter. The colonial buildings glow in the warm night air. Sometimes, dancers in traditional costumes perform, adding to the spectacle. Plaza Santo Domingo is where Cartagena's spirit shines brightest. It's a place for celebration, connection, and unforgettable memories. Sit back, soak it all in, and let the rhythm move you. This is the city's heartbeat. Don't miss it. Prepare to be amazed. Welcome to Castillo San Felipe de Barajas. This massive fortress, built by the Spanish to protect Cartagena from pirates, towers over the city. Walking up is an adventure, but the views are worth every step. The fortress is a maze of ramps, tunnels and battlements, ingenious defense at its best. Explore the underground tunnels and imagine soldiers racing through the darkness. From the top you get a breathtaking panorama, the colorful Old Town, modern Boca Grande, and the endless Caribbean Sea. It's the perfect spot to understand Cartagena's layout and strategic importance. The Castillo is a symbol of resilience, a city that refused to fall. It's not just about war, it's a marvel of engineering and human effort. Think about building this giant without modern machines. The fortress stands strong, telling stories of courage and survival. It's a must-see for any visitor. Put on your explorer hat and comfortable shoes. The stone giant is waiting to share its secrets. History comes alive here. Don't miss the chance to stand where legends once stood. Cartagena's past is powerful and unforgettable. One of my favorite things in Cartagena, walking the old city walls, the murallas at sunset. These ancient walls protected the city for centuries and now offer the best views in town. On one side, the charming Old Town with its colorful rooftops. On the other, the endless blue sea. As the sun dips, the sky explodes in orange, pink, and purple. It's peaceful, romantic, and absolutely magical. Waves crash below, fishing boats bob in the harbor, and the city glows in golden light. Little cafes and bars perch on the walls. Café Del Mar is a classic for a sunset drink. Sip a cocktail, feel the sea breeze, and watch the show unfold. Locals and tourists gather here, sharing the moment. These walls have witnessed pirate attacks, independence, and celebrations. Walking here, you feel connected to history and alive in the present. A sunset stroll on the murallas is a Cartagena must-do. It's simple, free, and unforgettable. Don't miss it, it's pure magic. Step outside the old town into Getsemani, Cartagena's artsy Bohemian soul. This neighborhood buzzes with creativity and energy. The first thing you'll notice? The street art, murals everywhere, telling local stories. Colorful umbrellas, flags, and quirky sculptures decorate the streets. Every corner is a new discovery. Getsemani is famous for its music and dance. Real Colombian salsa pours from bars and homes. In the evenings, Plaza de la Trinidad comes alive with locals, music, and spontaneous dancing. The energy is infectious, just watching is a joy. The food here is legendary. Arepas, empanadas, fresh fruit juices, all cooked by friendly vendors. Try an arepa de huevo, you won't regret it. Getsemani is a place to wander, get a little lost, and soak up the atmosphere. Chat with locals, snap photos, and let the rhythm move you. It's the groovy, beating heart of Cartagena. Don't miss this neighborhood. It's where the city's true spirit shines. Come feel the vibe. Need a beach day? Cartagena's paradise is just a boat ride away, the Rosario Islands. Picture white sand, turquoise water, and palm trees swaying in the breeze. The speedboat ride is an adventure, with islands appearing like green jewels in the sea. Choose your vibe: lively beach club or quiet rustic escape. Relax, swim, snorkel, or dive among colorful coral reefs. Or just lounge on the sand, soak up the sun, and listen to the waves. It's pure bliss. Peaceful and rejuvenating. Fresh seafood is a must. Grilled fish, coconut rice, and patacones, all served with your feet in the sand. The Rosario Islands are a perfect complement to Cartagena's historic charm. Make time for this slice of paradise. You'll come back refreshed and happy. Nature's beauty is on full display here. It's a getaway you won't forget. Cartagena's magic extends far beyond the city. Trust me, you'll love it. Let's talk food. Cartagena is a food lover's dream. The city's flavors blend Caribbean, Spanish, and African influences. Every meal is an adventure, from street snacks to fine dining. Seafood is king. Ceviche, fried fish, and coconut rice are must-tries. Patacones, crispy fried plantains, are perfect for scooping up everything. The tropical fruits are incredible. Mango, papaya, passion fruit, lulo, and more. Vendors sell fresh fruit salads and juices everywhere. Lulo juice is a must. Street food is legendary. Arepa de huevo, empanadas, caramanolas, and bolos. Everything is tasty, affordable, and made with love. Trying street food connects you to local culture and unforgettable flavors. Cartagena feeds you well, body and soul. Every bite tells a story. Come hungry and adventurous. The city's food will win your heart. Thank you, Cartagena, for every delicious moment. Let's eat our way through this city together. Cartagena is more than a beautiful place. It's an experience that touches your heart. The warmth of the sun is matched only by the warmth of its people. Smiles, music, and incredible food greet you at every turn. From the historic Old Town to the groovy streets of Getsemani, there's a magic here you have to feel for yourself. Vibrant colors paint every street, and rhythms fill the air. Salsa, cumbia, champeta, history lives in every stone, from pirates to independence. The food is unforgettable. Fresh seafood, tropical fruits, and street treats. Sunset walks on ancient walls, lively plazas, and paradise beaches create memories you'll cherish. Cartagena offers all this and more, a vibe that stays with you long after you leave. If you want history, culture, beauty, warmth, and amazing food, Cartagena is calling. Pack your bags, bring your appetite, and an open heart. Wander the streets, listen to the music, taste the flavors. Let Cartagena work its magic on you. You won't regret it. Until next time, Cartagena.